Assalamualaikum friends. In today's lecture, we will discuss some important question on inverse Laplace transform. So, question number 1. What is the inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s minus a? This is question. We know that the Laplace transform of e power at equal to 1 divided by s minus a. Now inverse Laplace transform is the inverse process of Laplace transform. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s minus a will be equal to e power at. So this is our answer. Now take another example. What will be the Laplace transform of inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by a square plus 9? We know that the Laplace transform of sin 3t equal to 3 divided by a square plus 9. 3 divided by a square plus 9. But now here the Laplace transform of inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by a square plus 9 is present. So we will multiply 3 and divide with 3. So it become like this, which will be equal to 1 over 3 into sine of 3t. So this is our required answer. Next question. What is the inverse Laplace transform of 2s divided by a square plus 4 plus 4? We will apply inverse Laplace transform to 2s divided by a square plus 4, 2s divided by a square plus 4. We have to take it equal to 4 square. A square plus 4 square plus Laplace inverse Laplace transform of 4 divided by a square plus 4 square. This is equal to 2 will be common, then it become equal to cos of 4t plus this is equal to sine of 4t. This is our required answer. Because the Laplace transform of cos 4t equal to s divided by a square plus 4 and Laplace transform of sin 4t equal to 4 divided by a square plus 4 square. Here inverse Laplace transform is the inverse process, so we will put sin 4t in place of Laplace inverse Laplace of 4 divided by a square plus 4. Now going to the next question. Example number 4. What will be the inverse Laplace transform of 19 divided by 2 square plus 3? I take this example from my own side. So first of all, we have to take common 19 and 2 from this. So it will be equal to 19 divided by 2 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by a square plus 3 divided by 2. Now we can also write this in the form of this: 19 divided by 2 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by a square plus under the root 3 divided by 2 square. So now we need under the root 3 divided by 2 and here. So we will multiply under the root 3 over 2 here and also divide under the root 3 divided by 2. So this will become 19 divided by 2 into under the root 2 divided by under the root 3. And this will be sine of under the root 3 divided by 2 t. So this is our required answer. Question on Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform are too much easy. First of all, we have to learn all the formulas of Laplace transform. I want to solve example of inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by a square minus 4. What will be the inverse Laplace transform of this question? So we have to solve this by partial fraction. A square minus 4 will be equal to a divided by s minus 2 into plus b divided by s plus 2. To find the value of a, put here what we have to put here 2, then it will be equal to 0. So in this part we will put here we have two parts, 1 divided by s minus 2 into s plus 2. We will put 2 here, then value of a will be equal to 1 divided by 4. Because we have on putting value of s 2, then it will become 0. So we have to not put here 2. It is the short tricks. Now to find the value of b, we will put minus 2 here. So the value of b is minus 1 divided by 4. You have to check this tricks because it is too much short method to find the value of ab. So value of a equal to 1 divided by 4 into s minus 2 into minus 1 divided by 4 into s plus 2. Now apply the Laplace transform, which will be equal to inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s minus 2 minus 1 over 4 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s plus 2. This will be equal to 1 over 4 into e power 2t minus 1 over 4 into e power minus 2t. So this is our required answer. So it is enough for today. We will solve other questions on inverse Laplace transform. So please connect it with us for upcoming lectures. Please like and subscribe our channel and share with your friends and give us your precious feedback. Thanks. Bundle of thanks.